Hey guys, it's your boy Ben229 here, and welcome back to another episode of Questcraft. And as you can see, my mini-map was reset, so it may lag a little bit again, because a new Questcraft update was released, 3.1.1. Apparently it helps with performance, we'll see on that. So far, it seems like it's doing a bit better than 3.1.0, but again, we'll find out. It doesn't hurt putting a few more performance mods on if I have to. Man, my English. So, without further ado, let's look at this house, okay? Let's look at this. Let's look at this house. What do we see? But without the pros, we don't need the pros judging, all right? Looks pretty good. Nice cube, you know. We're not gonna talk about the door either. The door's a little offset, but don't worry about it. Let's go up on the hill. Let's take a look at the roof. Not too bad, you know, a little spot. Again, that's off center, but I digress. We don't worry about that. Now, let's take a look at the floor. Ew! Oh, look at this goofy floor. Yeah, that needs to change, guys. You thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah. We're going to get rid of all this grass, and we're going to build the floor. And I apologize if this lags, because, you know, okay, we gotta speed things up. This is awful. I'm never doing that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I try. Alright, there you go. We got a wooden shovel. Let's go. Get rid of all this. And I know y'all are probably thinking, he's gonna skip this, right? No. For your sake, no, we're not. I'm gonna get to those two after, because the doors like to fall apart. Yet somehow, for some reason, the bed stays afloat, along with everything else. I don't know why, but we're not gonna worry about it. You know why? Because this is Minecraft, and I guess it can do whatever it wants. And this actually isn't as lagging as much as I thought, so maybe the performance boost was pretty good. And the reason why I figured out why Minecraft lags so much on the quest when you first get in and stuff is because, what's the lesson with Minecraft, guys? It's a poorly optimized game. Wow, that costed my entire thing. That's fine. That's a poorly optimized game. So therefore, oh, come on. It's not too good with technology like this. That's a little bit outdated. It's like, no. If you don't have the best specs, we're gonna run like dog doo-doo. Oh, come on. Just please work. I'm hoping I haven't. Oh, no, I don't think I'm gonna have enough. Alright, aren't I? Guys, I'm sorry. I have no clue what's going on with my English today. It's just deciding to spaz out. Oh my lord. Please, I just want my English to go back. I was doing so well in the YouTube world. I wasn't like stuttering. I wasn't like 3, 2. Oh my gosh, we're gonna be short off a little bit. Yep. Yeah, I was doing so well in the YouTube world, and all of a sudden, oh, it's night. How did that happen? I swear, we got a whole stack of dirt. Sucks it's going in the ocean. I don't need the dirt. We can use the sand for later, for window purposes. Yeah, we have to mine this tree down. It sucks I can't get on top of it. No, I cannot. Absolutely not. So we're gonna have to go up like this. Oh, come on! We probably only need 4. I'll finish it later. I'm sorry, tree. I'll get back to you. I know you're suffering right now. We don't have a sword. We only have a pickaxe. We have like no wood. Man, we are struggling right now. Let's put this in. 16. Ooh, that came back real quick. 13. Okay, here we go. You gotta be quick about this. This is not quick at all. 1, 2, open, close. Okay, we'll deal with the dirt later. I'm gonna put this up here. Focus on a sword right now. And I'm gonna go back out and search for another spider, because I want a, that's done, I forgot. Put the chicken in there. Because I want a thing called a fishing rod. Fishing rods are an excellent tool to have. Okay, We got an apple. How much? Well, our food's looking a little low. Let's have a little bite to eat. Nom 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 nom. All right, let's go back out and face the dangers of the night. I'm kind of used to that. How are you still burning? I'm not gonna question it. Yeah, they're gone. Oh. Where? Oh, it's just a zombie. Got me excited over nothing, zombie. That skeleton's gonna try to shoot me and I'm gonna freaking be a pro and avoid it. For some reason in this seed, spiders are just like a lost relic of some kind. They're so hard to find. Also, we're starting to lag out a bit because we're loading in new chunks. Oh! Yes! I don't care about any of y'all. I see red eyes. And that is my cue to hunt. Come on, come here. Come here, little spider. Come here. Come here. It's good like when I fight this thing. Up! Get back! Get out of here! 2-string. Sweet. Alright, y'all suck. I'm going back. I'm going to bed. I'm gonna go to bed. And we're going to get some cobblestone. We're gonna build another axe. We're gonna get a bunch of wood to build wood planks, and we're gonna work on the chicken farm because I said we would do that for today's episode. So it's not gonna be hunting or looking for stuff, but fishing is good. We will fish every evening that we can. And this is probably gonna be a longer series than my 3-part series that I do and switch to a different game because Minecraft is fun. And there's nothing you can do about it. I realize I think there's particles on. I turned particles off, which I probably have to do again. Cause let me see. Yeah, cause particles does make the game lag a bit, so we have to turn that off. Some bones. Okay, let's make the fishing rod. So we're gonna go put this in here, make some sticks, 4 sticks. Bam, put it up. Put this up in here. Now, if I remember the recipe right. No, wait a minute. It's 2 down, and then. Come on, just up. Okay, don't make this more difficult. Then it has to be game. There you go. Fishing rod done. Let's go. Put this in here, and there. We're gonna go get a bunch of cobblestone, and we're gonna get a bunch of wood. Bam, 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 bam. That is 39. We're gonna make 50. 45. 48. It's gonna be a bit more than 50, but it's fine. 51. Sweet. Then we're gonna make a open gate. Sweet. Let's put all these back in the thing. Oh my god, I need that. In there. And we're gonna put the last piece of wood in there as well. Whoop. Is it evening time? Go for 1 catch of the night. Let's see what we get. Anything good? Any bites? Like I said, we're gonna do 1 catch every evening. What do we get? There's a lot of salmon in here that I can kill for food later on. Y'all have done enough breeding. Please something good. Before a mob decides to jump me from behind like a creeper or something. I don't want that, please. Oh! And it's a cod. That it will do, but it's not the best. Okay. That's been cooked. The raw cod. Go to bed. Why do I always lay on the... Can I just lay on my bed? My back is probably broken at this point. Okay, put this in here. Where should we build this farm? I wonder. Maybe we should go behind our house. Yeah, we should go behind our house. So we're gonna make a stone shovel and we're gonna go breaking dirt. So yeah, we got a lot of resources now, don't we? Give me that. Thank you. Fishing rod, you go over there. No, cod can go up there for now. Okay. Oh, come on, we gotta organize the inventory, please. Okay, there you go. Let's go to our trusty shovel. Let's start mining all this. Start leveling it out. Now, this is where I'll probably skip the video. because this is gonna take a while. I'll see you guys when it's done. For the chickens, I realized I did a whole lot more than I should have. But you know what could be over there? That could be my garden. Over there. I could put like a garden with wheat seeds. We got plenty of wheat seeds from there. Now let's go find us some chickens. And we got more dirt. Just leave me alone, dirt. Let's go see what's attracted to wheat seeds. You? Sniff it. Sniff it. No? Okay. Creeper in the horizon. He's attracted to anything. Oh, okay, we got one. We got a whole posse over here. Okay, here we go. Come here, come here. Yeah. 3 will do for right now. We can or even 2. And there's a third one. Come on. Come on, where's your third buddy go? There he is. Let's cook him. Let's go lure him with some seeds. Come here. Yeah, good stuff. I'm gonna walk you slowly to my pen. I'm gonna breed you guys. Gonna make multiples of yous. And then you're gonna make brilliant babies. And we're going to have a lovely family that, you know, I totally won't eat later on. Also, yeah, this is what rain looks like on the quest to help the performance of it. We don't add rain droplets. Okay, sweet. Come on. Come into my little den, little chickens. It's safe in here. Yeah, okay, let's start breeding. 1, and 2. There's no heart animation, but that's fine. I'm sorry, I can't breed with anybody. You know I can't breed you. Can we? No luck. Okay, good stuff. I'll see you guys later. Alright, we got plenty of wheat seeds. We're gonna get some more. Oh yeah, this legs it out. Wow, that is one way to leg out a oof. Alright. Why is that open? I must have left it open. Oh well. Okay. We can start something over here later on. I just want the wheat seeds to prepare for the farm. Do you have anything else that needs to be cooked? No, we don't. Unless we cook apples, but I doubt it. Okay, put that in there. Bop. Sweet. Alright, I think it's turning nighttime. Yeah, I see the little evening clouds. Let's go for another catch of the night. What do we get? Something good, please. I pray. Oh yeah, and there's all the dirt. Yeah, I had a bunch of stacks of dirt. Oh! And it's another cod. Well, you can't win them all. Alright. Put the raw cod in there. Cook that up. Oh my god, chickens, please, enough. Please go to bed. Okay, you know what? I want to sleep on my bed. Thank you. I'm actually on my bed now. Oh, what a nice sleep that was on the bed. Oh, wow. It's crazy how, the bed can just improve your sleep. And now that the rain is gone, why does that keep opening? I think my trigger is acting up as well. This controller is quite old. Nope. This one is the right one. This is newer, yet it's acting up. Right. Well, let's kill a quick pig here. Come over here. Let's do a little bit of hunting. Get over here. You're not safe. Okay. I wonder if we could lure a little bit more chicken. Or with a plural would be nice as well. Chickens. Come on. Creeper, you're not safe. You know what? I'm gonna. That did not work the way I wanted it to, but that is okay. Wait a minute. I want that yellow flower. Yes! Chicken! Okay, is there any more of y'all? Or am I just gonna have to collect the one? That works too. I left my wheat in the chest. Should've thunk about that one, eh? Ah! I want that sheep with me. Okay, come on, sheep. Sheep, I will nudge you if I have to my house. You are a wonderful pink sheep. Wonder if I can just... Come here. Come here. Oh, take too much work. Whatever. Come on, you little sheep. You are my... Oh! No, I don't want to hurt it. I don't want to hurt it. Come on. Nudge. 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 Come on, come on. Oh my god, this could take forever to do. You know what? No, we can't. We're just gonna freaking rod him over. That's also gonna take too long. I'm just gonna have to pray that he stays there. On this wonderful mountain. And no, no, you did not just despawn. Okay, no, you're down there. Okay, sweet. I freaked out for a minute. Eat some salmon. Alright, well guys, I think that's gonna be it for this episode. Made a nice chicken farm. We got a fishing rod from the spiders, finally. And we got some chickens, you know. I totally forgot to lure the other ones. Look at your beady black eyes over there. Because, you know, my dum-dum left the seeds in the chest. So that's a little dumb of me. Actually, before we end this, I gotta show you guys a neat little trick. Yes. We can have two, why not? Put the bed up there. Yeah, there we go. We're cool now. Yellow bed. Awesome. Okay. Well, if you enjoy what you saw, a like and a sub to the channel would be amazing. And hope you're having a great day or night, depending when you watch this. And I guess I'll see you guys in another... Wait, actually, never mind. I have a Facebook page. Your boy Ben229 on Facebook. If you watch to the end, if you do, this would be amazing if you watch this video all the way to the end. I have a Facebook page and Instagram. Follow those, please. They're both your boy Ben229, and I got link stuff. But anyway, all right, that's all from me. I'll see you guys in another episode. Goodbye.